Today I'm going to show you how to make the world's best chocolate milk.
First we need the milk. Then we add the chocolate. Yay, chocolate. Lots of chocolate. Give it a good stir, and I think that'll do it for this chocolate milk.
Do I have something in my teeth?
Well, wasn't that amazing?